So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial video, I will be showing you how to transfer a registered account to your Tangerine account here on Tangerine Bank. So once Tangerine is opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom right and select on where it says Move Money. Then once you're on the Move Money page at the bottom, it says Transferred Registered Account. So if you wanted to transfer like a TFSA or an FHSA or whatever, you can do it this way. So go ahead and press on it. So once you're here, you can transfer a registered account to Tangerine. We'll automatically cover up to $150 in fees when you transfer $15,000 or more. There's no tax implications when you transfer a registered account. So you can go ahead to the bottom and press continue if you want to proceed. It'll then allow you to select what account you're transferring. So as mentioned before, you can transfer an RRSP, TFSA, etc. And if this looks good to you, go ahead and press continue. And then you can proceed this way with the transferring process. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to transfer a registered account to your Tangerine account here on Tangerine Bank. Thanks again for watching and I hope this helps.